So how many sticks of butter in 1 pound? So if you want 1 pound of butter, how many sticks do you need? Short answer is 4. And we're talking about these standard US sticks of butter here. So go to the fridge, grab a stick of butter, and if you look right there on the wrapper, it tells you that 1 stick of butter is 4 ounces. And here's what you need to know. 1 pound is 16 ounces. So if you divide 16 ounces by 4 ounces, you'll get 4. 4 sticks of butter make 1 pound. You can think of it this way. If you had 4 ounces, 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 is 12, plus 4, that equals 16. So you would need 1, 2, 3, 4 sticks of these 4-ounce sticks of butter. That's 16 ounces, and 16 ounces is 1 pound. So short answer, 4 sticks of butter per pound. US standard sticks here. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.